If you're still treating AI like it's another far off idea, here's the truth. It's already reshaping how people work, and if you're not paying attention, you might just get left behind. Today is not about hype, it's about what's actually happening with AI and automation right now, and what you can do to stay ahead, or at least keep up. Welcome back to Plutronix Technology's channel. If you are new here, we are all about helping professionals and businesses navigate the fast-moving world of AI, automation, and tech that actually makes life easier. In this episode, we are getting real about how AI is already changing the way we work and how we can start using it without getting overwhelmed. Let's get into it. Let's get one thing straight. AI isn't something that is on the way, it's already here. It's in your inbox, it's in your apps, it's in your search results. You are using it even without realizing it yet. McKinsey's 2024 report says that about 30% of all global work hours could be automated by 2030. That's not 20 years away, that's basically tomorrow. Tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Microsoft Copilot are already making a real difference. They are helping teams write proposals, summarize meetings, and draft emails. Tasks that usually take hours now take minutes. The smartest businesses aren't replacing people, they are using AI to help their teams move faster, think sharper, and get more done without burning out time. It's not about removing the human touch, it's all about enhancing the way humans use AI to work. Okay, let's talk about where you can actually see this working. You've probably chatted with a bot without realizing it. Tools like Intercom Fin, Fresh Chat are now handling up to 80% of support tickets before humans even get involved. That means faster responses, less waiting, and support that actually scales the way businesses work. Small teams are moving faster than ever with tools like Jasper AI, Copy AI, and even ChatGPT. They are creating social posts, emails, and blog content in minutes. These are things that usually take days to create. Platforms like Hire Value and Manatal are changing how hiring works. They scan resumes, highlight key details, and even help recruiters prepare for interviews without hours of manual review. Do you have problems with a disorganized spreadsheet? Tools like ChatGPT with advanced data analysis, Zoho Analytics, or even Tableau GPT lets you skip the formulas. Just ask your questions in plain languages and get real and useful insights back in order to organize your data. Try this. Pick that one annoying task, maybe writing customer replies, generating reports, or even writing content ideas, and test it with an AI to see if it will help you. You'll be shocked about how fast AI can help you accomplish these tasks in minutes. Let's talk about common roadblocks and how to overcome them when adopting AI. To be real, diving into tech isn't always easy. You are not alone. Feeling unsure is normal, but there is a good news. Most AI tools today are built for people without tech background. No coding required most times. If you are comfortable with using something like Google's Workspace, don't worry, trust me, you'll be fine. Are you worried about its affordability? Don't worry, all you just need to do is start small. Tools like ChatGPT and Notion AI offer a lot of free plans, so there's no pressure to dive in all at once. Pick one task, just one, try it out, and see how it fits making your big decisions all day in your business. Are you bothered about if your team will be able to adopt AI? Don't worry. Most people don't like change, at least for the first time. But as time goes on, they begin to see the benefits. When you're introducing AI to your team, frame it as a helper, not a replacement. Show how it takes care of repetitive tasks so teams can focus on the work that actually matters. Here is a pro tip. Pick someone in your team who is naturally curious about new tech trends or AI. Let them explore these tools, try things out, and document what works for them. And have them share this with the remaining members of the team and let them know how it works. This will help improve how your team can adopt AI for you to move better and faster in your business. Using AI is one thing, but using it well, that's where the real impact happens. Pick tools that align with your business goals. Train your team on real-world tasks, not theories. Keep humans involved. AI should support, not replace. Here is a real story. A small fintech startup in Nigeria pulled off a full campaign using just few AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Midjourney. They wrote pitch decks, created visuals, and built everything out without a single full-time communication hire. Just smart tools, clear goals, and a team willing to experiment. I'm telling you, This is how they got to start their jobs and working fine. AI isn't magic, it's not flawless, and no, it won't fix everything. But pretending it doesn't matter, that's like saying email wasn't worth learning back then in 2005. This is your window to try, adjust, and move ahead. Before you scroll away, pick one task that is part of your day that feels like it takes so much time from you. Test out an AI tool to handle it, then come back and tell us how it went down in the comments. If this gave you a new way to think about things, go ahead, like, subscribe, and tap on that like button so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, Plutronix Technology is here to help you work smarter with tools built for better results.